morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very good at your home. Okay, all of you stay healthy, stay energetic and stay enthusiastic. So today let's start our class energetically. Okay, students. Now let me ask you some questions. What is this? This is a scale. What is this? This is a pen. Which of this is longer? Which of this is longer? Is the pen or the scale? Yes, this ruler or scale is longer than this pen. Okay, student. Now, which of these is heavier? Is the balloon or this football? Which is heavier? Which is greater in weight? Yes, it is of course. Yes, the football. Because this balloon is so light. Okay, very good. Now students, which of these containers can hold more water? Is this glass or this jug? Which contains more water? Yes, it is of course this jug. Yes, this jug can hold more water than this glass. So students, you all answered correctly. Excellent. We compared these on the basis of their length, right? And we found that this scale is longest or lengthier than this pen. Then we compared ball and balloon and we found ball is heavier or ball has more weight than the balloon. Okay, students? And finally, we compare the water in two types of vessels such as a jug and in a glass. And what we found? Yes, the capacity of the jug is more than the capacity of glass. Okay, students? The capacity of the jug is more than the capacity of this glass to hold the water, which means we can hold more water in the jug than in this glass. Okay. So students, now I compared the things on the basis of three facts. First one was length. First one was on the basis of length. Second one was on the basis of weight. Okay. Second one was on the basis of its weight. And third comparison was on the basis of the capacity. Okay. The third comparison was of the jug and the glass was on the basis of the capacity to hold the water. So, the measures which indicates the length, weight and capacity are called metric measures. Metric measures. Okay. We often or daily we are comparing many things in our life. Okay. Let me tell you one simple example. When you are taking books from your bag, you may get two types of books. Which one is heavier and which one is lighter. This book has more weight than this one. So in our daily life, we are comparing many things without knowing. Okay. When your mother send you to nearest shop to buy 1 kilogram of sugar, half kg of tea powder, you are also using metric measures. We all are using metric measures. When we are buying a Sprite or a mango juice from the shop, we are buying half liter. Okay. Or we are buying 1 liter. So students, not only the parents or elders, but also the kids use these metric measures in your daily life. So in today's class, we are going to study how to measure the metric measures. Which are the metric measures? The length, the weight, the capacity. How to measure these things, that is we are going to study in today's chapter. And the name of our chapter is metric measures. Okay students, let's start with the first metric measure, that is length. Okay, length. When your teacher asks you to draw a line in your notebook, what will you do? Yes, you will take the ruler and the pencil. Then you will put the scale on the notebook like this and draw the line according to your need. Okay. So if your teacher asks you to draw a box, you will take the ruler and will draw by taking needed measurements like this. Okay. So we are using this scale or this ruler for measuring the length of this line. So how to measure this length of the line? We will take the scale and will put it according to this line, and it is 12. Okay, and it will show it is 12 centimeter. When you are taking your scale, all of you take your scale, you can see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 30 in the scale. In the scale which is in my hand, it shows the numbers up to 30, and it may be up to 15 in your scale. And you can see this cm, small letter cm in this scale. What it means? What is cm? Yes, this is the smallest unit of length. This is the smallest unit of length, and cm indicates centimeter. Okay, cm means centimeter. This is the smallest unit to measure the length. Okay, and students, we can use this scale to measure the small things. Okay, like the length of this pen or the length of the pages of the book. Like that, to measure the small things, we can take this measurement, the ruler. Okay, and if you are going to a tailor to stitch a frock or something else, what will he do? He also take this scale and will take the measurements of our length of the frock. No, they use, you may notice that they use measuring tape. Okay, they use measuring tape to take the measurements of the length of our frock or to take the length of our sleeve. So students, when we are taking the measurement of length or when we are measuring the length, we may use rulers or scales or measuring tapes, etc. Okay students, if we are taking the length of the one side of our room or the classroom, whatever it is, what will we do? So it is more lengthier than the small objects, right? So I already told you that small lengths are measured in centimeters. Small lengths are measured in centimeter. Then what about long lengths, which is not much small? If we want to take the length of the one side of this room, we have to measure it on meter, not in centimeter. We measure the length of the one side of our room, or we measure the larger lengths in meter. So we measure the larger lengths in meter and smaller lengths in centimeter. Okay students, our first metric measure is length, and we have two units to measure the length. The first one is meter. It is the unit which measure the longer things. Okay. And second one is the centimeter, which we use to measure the smaller lengths. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. 100 centimeter together make 1 meter. So we have to by heart this measure. Okay. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay students. So I hope it is all clear about the metric measure length. Let us discuss the other metric measures like weight and capacity in our next classes. Let us wind up our today's class. Catch you in the DCS. Thank you.